Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this bomb wash and go with these popping curls using some of my Holy Grail products, then just keep watching this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I got it. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair freshly cleaned and conditioned, and to style and moisturize my hair today, I'll be using this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner and the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Primer, both Shea Moisture products. So if you saw from the beginning, for this particular wash and go, I'm going for a no part look, like I want it completely pushed back off my face. So I'm starting off the way I typically do, with just sectioning the front half from the back half, and then I'm going to wet it up with, my spray bottle. Fun fact, this footage is actually from December, 6 months after my big chop, and that's why my hair, it doesn't look as good as it does now, because back then I was still getting the hang of it, and I really wasn't taking that good of care of my hair, and now my hair is so much more healthier. You can literally tell just by watching the footage. But I'm going in with this Raw Shea Butter conditioner and applying that all over my hair, and then I'm just working it in because it's very softening. Y'all know I love Shea Moisture conditioners. And after getting that product in my hair, I'm going in with my wide tooth comb to detangle and further distribute the product. And I'm going in with the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. This, I'm using a nice healthy amount, as you can see, and this is very moisturizing as well. And this is like the major key for the definition. Like, I would get pretty good definition with just the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Conditioner, but this product right here is gonna just just bring it up. And I'm also going in with my Evolve brush, brushing it out. Look at the curls, look at the curls, look at the curls. Like, that's it, the curls like they look so good. And I know it says curl primer, so for people with thicker hair than I have, you will probably use that as like a base, but it's a really good like styler from me and my hair. So just saying that. But since I am doing a more pushed back look instead of just doing my two sections on top, I split both of those two sections in half, because the very front sections are the sections I'm going to push back. So since you've already seen me moisturize my hair, I'm going to kind of be quiet and just let you see how I do it. And right here, I'm just finishing up this very last section. And from here is where I take my wide tooth comb and push it back. As you see, I didn't do no defined part or anything, because that wouldn't matter. And I'm just pushing it back. And that is how I basically get the style I'm going for. I'm going to take my oil mix so I can seal in all of my moisture that I put into my hair. And the little bit of extra oil that I have left on my hands, I'm just going to apply that to the very front of my hair to, start the smoothing, and to also prepare for the gel that you see that I have right here. And I am just applying that to the front. And I'm applying as much as I need, because I do want it to stay pushed back. I want it to stay. So now I'm going in with my fine tooth comb. I just really wanted to stay pushed back, because this was just my ideal style. Like, I knew this is how I wanted it to come out. And since it's pushed back, you know, from in front of my face, the edges are able to shine with this style. So I am laying my edges, as you see right here, and it's fairly easy since my hair is already pushed back. But yeah, I'm just going to be quiet and let you see me do it. And to fix the front section, again, after laying my edges, I just put a little bit of water, took my brush, pushed it back, and this right here is the wet results. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. So yeah, this is the wet results. Curls are popping, edges look good, and I love the push back style, or look. I like the push back look. This isn't the final product that I'm going to show you, but this is second day hair, the next day after the previous clip that you just saw, and the curls are still popping. I'm going to talk a little bit in the next clip, a little bit to y'all, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so this right here is second day hair. I did my hair yesterday, as y'all saw, and it was wet last time y'all saw it, and I kind of I let it air dry. I let it air dry like throughout the whole day, and then that night I just put a bonnet like on my hair and went to sleep, because y'all know my hair had like oils and product in it, and I did not want it to like stain my pillows with like oil and stuff, so I went ahead and put a bonnet on anyways. But today I just let it do what it do. It's nighttime. It's actually 8 o'clock right now, and I have been totally and completely in love with my hair, the shape of it, the curls, the definition is literally amazing. I find it like so crazy how I cut my hair in June, as you all know, and my hair, it looks the same, but the curls are so much juicier now. And I feel like my curls are juicier now because my hair is longer, so I have more hair to be juicy. Although if you just look at it, the length looks the same, but as y'all know, it ain't the same. You girl hair getting long again. Not nearly as long as what it was, but you know, it's getting longer again, and I'm just overall thankful it's getting long. But yeah, like I said, this is day 2. But I do want to say I'm doing my makeup and stuff tomorrow. So after this clip, I'm going to show y'all day 3 hair. And that'll be it. Hopefully it's cute tomorrow. I hope it's cute tomorrow, you know. I hope it look good. Okay, y'all, so this is day 3 hair. This is what it's looking like. Last night, or the previous clip that you saw, was before I got in the tub. And when I got in the tub, I had on like a plastic cap, and I guess the steam from my scalp, like the heat from my scalp in the room, it kind of left a little bit of my hair moist, but it was not wet at all. It was just a little moist. And when I woke up this morning, it was shrunken even more than it was in the previous clip. But honestly, I'm loving it. I'm loving how my curls are looking. Like, look at these curls. Oh, y'all, I absolutely love my hair. I love it. This was, I don't know, I think this is my favorite wash and go I've done so far. I've only done 3, but I think this is my favorite one because of how I styled it. Like, I like how the curls aren't in my face. The first 2 times I've did a wash and go on my short hair. The curls were in my face, and that was cute, but I really like the like kind of pushed back look. It's giving grown, it's giving sexy, and I like that. And then the curls are just very, very pretty, and I think they're juicier now because my hair is longer, although you really can't tell because the shrinkage, but shrinkage equals health, and I'm all here for that. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted you all to see my makeup first of all, and then just these curls, very pretty. Sorry for talking so much. Hopefully this video is not too long, but that's it for this video. So if you all enjoyed it and liked my wash and go, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, comment like any product combinations you would like me to try, any product recommendations. Also, if you are at this point, comment down below and tell me what you think my hair type is. I've always said 3B 3C, but I feel like it's more 3C, but sometimes I feel like it's more 3B. I know that's completely random, but comment down below and let me know what you think. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. And that's it for this video.